Power of turning everything into a game, including how you run your house and how you parent your kids. Welcome to Catholic Mom Mindset, a daily show where you learn to walk closely with the Holy Spirit so you can live the life God is calling you to. I'm your host, Sterling Jaquith. Let us begin. I'm Sterling Jaquith, a Catholic mom coach, and today I want to talk about the power of gamification. So gamification is where we try to make a game out of something. Maybe with a sticker chart, maybe with a timer, maybe for the kids with a scavenger hunt. Anything that feels exciting and like you're earning points or you're making progress. And this happens in school, and this happens in our jobs. Jobs, in a way, are gamified by bonuses and how much money we make and quarterly reports and things like that. It's like adult gamification. But then when we become a stay-at-home mom or a homemaker, right, we have all these responsibilities, and let's face it, they're boring. I do not want to sweep the floor. I do not want to clean the toilet. I do not want to put the kids' clothes away. And so you can use gamification to make something really fun and exciting. And that is why we are running the Fit and Holy Challenge in Masters in January. So the Fit and Holy Challenge is a challenge that we've done for, 7 years, way before this company existed. And what it is you track 4 things every day. So you're going to track your sleep, you're going to track your exercise, and you're going to track your prayer life. And then you're also going to do a short journaling exercise, like 30 seconds. I don't want you to think journaling paragraphs. It's not like that. It's like a 30-second, 20-word thing, okay, called the model. If you want to go back to the beginning of this podcast, you can listen to what the model is. I think it's episode 2. And so together, we're going to cultivate fit habits and holy habits by creating a game. And so this huge community of Catholic moms come together and we play this game called the Fit and Holy Challenge. We track these things, 4 things every day. And at the end of the week, you submit your points and you can earn prizes. And then in addition to those daily things, we also have a fit challenge and a holy challenge. And we don't announce those publicly ahead of time. They're kind of a surprise and they're really fun and they're very doable for busy Catholic moms, okay? So I'm not going to tell you to do something crazy that you don't have time to do. I have 6 kids, okay? If I can do it, you can do it. So join us in Masters before January. We are doing this Fit and Holy Challenge in January. And paired with that challenge, we're going to be teaching moms about how to change their self-identity so they can actually keep the habits that they practice. Because everybody does it. They do the habits during the challenge and it's really fun. And then they get nervous towards the end because they don't want to stop doing it. And of course, when you stop gamifying something, it's hard to stick with it. And so that's why we're going to teach you how to really change your self-image so that you can install these habits, change the way that you think about yourself. So you now think, I'm a person who exercises every day. I'm a person who prays every day. And then those habits will be so much easier to maintain. And if you want, you can continue gamifying your habits. There is no reason why as adults we shouldn't use these tools. They work on the brain. The brain likes gamification. It likes sticker charts. Can you imagine if you gave yourself a gold star, literal gold star sticker every time you finished your prayer routine? Sounds hokey, huh? What if that's all it took for you to do it and nail it every day? Pretty cool. All right, you guys, subscribe to this YouTube channel if you guys are listening on YouTube. If you're listening on the podcast, can you leave me a review? I have a lot, and they are fantastic. But the more that we get, the more iTunes will show this episode to people. So I'm trying to get the word out about this podcast, Catholic Mom Mindset. It's a daily podcast. You should tell your friends every day, 5 minutes. So good. All right. I love you. Thanks for listening and have a blessed day. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Catholic Mom Mindset. To learn more about growing closer to the Holy Spirit, check out our free resources at madeforgreatness.co. Thank you so much for listening and have a blessed day.